Good morning. This is the sunrise video for April 11th, 2014. As I was walking today, lots of things came in as birds. So this bird cloud, and the bird sounds, which were quite vibrant this morning. And so today the energy is going to be about birds. Whatever energy shows up for you around birds, that's what this video is about, is flight and birds and spring, sort of everything that the bird energy shows for you. That's what this energy for today is. Thanks for joining me. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a great day.